In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to GoHighLevel using Zapier or Make. In this walkthrough, we're setting up a simple automation that takes new Typeform submissions and sends that information directly into GoHighLevel as a contact. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual data entry, and make sure new leads are captured quickly and consistently. To begin, log into your Zapier account. If you prefer using Make, the overall process is very similar, but in this example, we'll follow the Zapier flow. Once you're inside your dashboard, click Create Zap to start building your automation. A zap is simply an automated workflow made up of a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the process, and the action is what happens next. For the trigger app, select Typeform. Then choose the trigger event called New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch for every new submission that comes through your selected form. After that, you'll need to authenticate your Typeform account. This just means connecting it securely so Zapier can access your forms. Once the account is connected, choose the specific Typeform you want to use. Make sure you select the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms in your account, because every new entry from that form will trigger this workflow. Next, move on to the action step. For the action app, select GoHighLevel, which may also appear as lead connector depending on your setup. Then choose the action event create or update contact. This is an important choice because it helps prevent duplicate records. If the contact already exists, the automation can update the existing contact instead of creating a brand new one. Now it's time to map your fields. Take the name field from Typeform and connect it to the appropriate name field in GoHighLevel. Then do the same for email and phone. Field mapping is where you tell the system exactly where each piece of information should go. So it's worth taking a moment here to double check that everything matches correctly. Clean mapping helps keep your contact database organized and accurate. Once your fields are mapped, click Publish Zap to turn the automation on. From that point forward, every new Typeform entry will automatically be sent into GoHighLevel as a contact. That's it. You now have a working lead capture automation that helps streamline your workflow and keeps your contacts updated without manual effort.